Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install app on Windows in a very simple way. What you can do, just simply search over here Microsoft Store. So you can simply click on that Microsoft Store, and then you can see at the left side there is a bunch of options called Home, Gaming, Apps, What's New, Downloads, and Library. So if you want to download any app, just simply click on Apps, and from here you can get any kinds of apps if you want. You can see there are Creative Workspace, Digital Efficiency, Ultimate Creativity Documents Hub. There are lots of free app, paid apps. You can download any of. Simply click on any of apps. Like I'm going to download this app called AVG Antivirus Free, and you can see there will be an option called Install. So if you click on Install, it will getting ready things and it will automatically downloading. But some of apps it will not going to give you install. They will give you something else like get or something like that. But most of the apps you will get over here, and you can simply click on get as like you did with this app called install. And now what you can do, just simply wait for a little bit to installation completed. And you can see after completing the installation, you can see there is installed. And now what you can do, there will be an option pops up called open. If you didn't get it, then what will happen, you just need to copy this name over here and going to search it over here, like going to search, paste it, and you will get these apps over here. Also you can see there will be an icon over here, these apps, and if you click on that, it will open the app you installed or download into your Windows. So this is how you can download and install any app into Windows 11 or Windows 10 or any of Windows operating system version. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.